I do know, honey, Matty, and that's going to be her name. Matty. Matty Patty. Okay, guys, I'll show you all the, okay, y'all, I'll show you all the other units in a minute, but I just want to, y'all, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous to wash her, but girl, we got to handle business. So y'all know she's very, very matted, right? So I have my Dawn soap here, and we're just going to do it and see what happens. So I'm not using any hot water, obviously. I am using cold water, well, like lukewarm water. I guess I can turn up just a little bit. And then I'm just going to hold her at the front. Hold on, guys. So I'm going to hold her here, and I'm just going to let the water run down. And then we'll add some drops of Dawn soap. Okay? Ooh, y'all, I'm so nervous. She's matted anyway, so I just don't know if, I don't want to mess her up. I don't know if she's going to be salvageable. It's the ends that's matted. So let's just do the, I don't know if this Dawn soap is what I should be using on her. I really want to use my shampoo, but we'll just use Dawn soap first, and then we'll see. I want to get these ends pretty good, and then let's see what happens. Okay. So she's sizing up pretty good. See if I can hold it where you guys can see it. Okay. And I'm not doing the method where you soak it in the Dawn. I don't have a bucket to do it, so, or anything to like put the whole unit in, I guess. And I don't have a sink stopper in the sink, so that's why I'm choosing to just hold it and let the, you know, the soap run through it. So far so good. Like I said, she looks like she's matting up, but guys, I'm going to put conditioner on her. I am. And we're going to just work with her. Okay, see how the ends look? Girls, these ends, honey, these ends, girl. Look at that. Ooh, the matted, honey. Look at that. Okay, that was one wash. I'm going to wash the cap, but I have to be very careful washing this cap, because washing the cap on the other units kind of bunched up the hair, and I don't want to do that on this unit, so I'm just going to use my hands and hold this cap with my hands stretched out, just so that we can just get the cap clean. Okay. All right, and I think that's enough. Okay. So then we're going to just let this water run. Okay. And now I want to do some more. I think I'm going to do my Dr. Bronner soap. Hopefully this does not mess her up, y'all. Because Dr. Bronner soap, honey, we all know it's a stripper. It strips the oils. But this is synthetic hair. It doesn't have oils anyway. At the root, again, the roots are nice, but she is matted real bad. Doesn't look too bad, guys. Like I said, I just need to, this is my trouble area right here, like down here. So we're going to work with that. We're going to take our time and detangle it. And but see here, see like all this area here is nice. It's just right here in this area that you guys see. But she's doing good. She is. All right, I think that's enough. So now what I'm going to do is put some conditioner on her. I'm going to, look, I was going to do a strand test. That's what I was trying to think of earlier. I was going to do a strand test with the conditioner, y'all, but I'm just going to go ahead and, honey, just douse her with some conditioner, and let's see what happens.
I wish I had the same delusion that I did when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me, and I wish somebody would've should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong.
Y'all, this doggone synthetic wig beat my butt. Do you hear me? Child, I don't know if I'm gonna ever wash her again, Chad. But she's detangled. Y'all saw the video, honey. I kept, like, every time I felt like I had a good detangle girl, she would knot up again. Like, what in the world? And I know I don't think I had the right tools for her. For this type of wig, you definitely need a what do you call it, child? You need one of those flapper thingies, flapper brushes, honey. Woo, child, she beat my tail. Do you hear me? Girl, but we did it, honey. She is detangled. There you have it, honey. I'm gonna matter of fact, I'm gonna put some more conditioner on her, okay? And she is actually going to condition overnight. I'm gonna let her condition overnight, but she's detangled. See, I'm able to run my fingers through her. Got a little bit of detangles, but there you go. See, my fingers are running through. Okay, I got some ends I need to clip. I need to trim this, but like I tell y'all, I just put this in a bun, and she got mad. Girl, she got mad because my daughter and I actually share this unit, believe it or not. Child, you got girls, honey. Them girls, girl, them girls. My daughter, she will grab some of my units when she comes home from school. And when she goes out, she'll grab my units, girl. But as you can see, she's nice and clean. Here is the inside, nice and clean. Yeah. And I need to trim the lace and all that stuff and pluck her, child. But I love this unit on me. I love the color. I love the blend. I'm not a blonde girly, but I can wear this with no problem. And yes, she definitely needs a good trimming. So once she's dry, I'm going to trim her. But baby, she's going to be dry for a minute. Woo! Child. This wig beat my butt. Okay? But she's done. So let me show you guys the other ones, okay? Give me a second. Okay, ladies, here are the other units. Let me see if I can. There you go. Okay. Here are the other units. Y'all, this one right here, this curly baby. Ooh, Lord, she looks so good, y'all. So good. I cannot wait to put her on. But here are all the girlies. They look jet black, but they're not. They are brown. I haven't colored them yet at all. And they look so good, y'all. They look so, so, so good. So I cannot wait. Honey, I would never ever in life do. I cannot believe I got this many straight wigs. Like, what is wrong with me? Clearly, I'm addicted to straight wigs. So, girls, the wigs are conditioning, honey. The girls are, just chilling in their condition. And I'm trying to debate if I want them to condition overnight or if I just want to rinse them out and just let them start air drying. I do know, honey, Matty, and that's going to be her name, Matty. Matty Patty. That's her name, honey, Matty Patty. Matty Patty, girl. She's going to condition for overnight, okay? She's going to condition overnight. I'm going to actually put some more conditioner on her and just let her chill overnight, girl. I'm going to put her over here and, girl, because, shoo, child, Matty Patty, baby, she ain't playing. So, but all the other girls, they play very well. Oh, the washing process was fine, y'all. And I got another one I need to wash, child. I bought a headband wig. All right, ladies, I just wanted to insert this clip to let you all see the final results. It came out beautifully, guys. This was more beautiful to me than when I purchased the unit. Look at how silky the unit is. Look at how my hands are just running through the unit. Again, the Dawn soap did just a miraculous job. I also, again, washed with the Dr. Bonner soap just to get this unit nice and clean and get all of the product out of it. And of course, I followed up with some hair oil, and I can't remember which oil I used, but that was key to getting it nice and silky. To me. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Honey, we get ready to wash old girl. I'm so tired, y'all. I don't even know if I want to wash her today. She's so pretty, though, but she does need to be washed. So I'm going to go ahead and probably wash her and be done with my day, y'all. But this is so cute. So pretty. All right, y'all. Talk to y'all later.